level 2 to 3 level. In this level, the password of the next level is stored in file called space. File called space in this file name located in home directory. Basically, in this level, we need to read the file space in the file name. So first we need to do ssh level name bandit 2 machine name bandit.labs over the wire .org port number, and we need to put the password which we grab in previous level. We need to read the directory with the help of ls. Basically, ls help to read the current directory file. This is the file which we need to read forget the password of next level. Copy file cat to read the file. If space in the file name, we put quotation mark before the file name, and after the file name we got the password for the next level.